A little bit shocked, didn't know where it come from, and quite pleasantly surprised. It's not the kind of thing that pops into your inbox every day, so it was quite a nice surprise.
Say you were to win the award, how do you think that would affect your running of Enham Trust?
I don't think it would affect what I do in terms of my role in the organisation. I think that the I suppose help it would give the organisation in raising the profile of the organisation, given that we're a charity and we're a regional charity that supports people all the way across the south of England, down as far as Plymouth, and all the way across the southwest, across to Swindon. It would help with the profile. It would help people who want to support us, people who want to come and volunteer with us, and people that we already support know more about us probably. So we support disabled people across a whole range of aspects of their lives. So we provide housing, care and employment services. We are based in a village that we own essentially. So Enham is with a registered social landlord. So we provide all the housing in the village. And that's a range of people who need general needs housing and people who also need accessible housing that's modified for their disability. We then have a range of care services that we provide. So we've got 3 registered care homes on site that provide 24-hour support for people who need support with quite complex disabilities, physical disabilities, learning disabilities and mental health needs. We're a disability confident leader. So that means that we are experts in our field of supporting disabled people into work, but also helping local employers to understand how they can improve the diversity of their workforce and employ people with a disability and what adjustments they need to make. We can help with that. There's a whole raft of things that we do, and the underpinning, I suppose, drive for the charity is to support disabled people to live the lives they choose and to do what they want with their lives. And they tell us what they want and we work out how we can help do it.
How important is the work that you do?
It makes a massive difference to the people that we support. So I suppose the most tangible way of understanding what difference it makes is to talk to some of the people that we support. And I'm lucky enough to work in a place where I'm surrounded on a daily basis by people we support and chat to them and hear about what it is they can do. So whether it's somebody, you can see it behind us, a radio station that 50 or so of the guys that we support run on a 24-hour-a-day basis. They run Radio Enham. We're sat in our cafe, which is staffed by volunteers and people who are being trained to gain skills to work in a cafe commercial environment. So for people who can get what they want from their lives, it makes a massive difference, and it's a privilege to be involved in helping that and moving that along for people.